The Andes, the longest dry land mountain range in the world. Peaks and jungles, deserts and lakes, oceans, clouds, and highland forests, all clad in magnificent feathers. Birds of the tropical Andes transports us into the lives of these modern denizens of the most ancient lands, with colors beyond the rainbow, in brilliant display or quiet disguise. How they survive, how they thrive. Discover the shrieking, fluttering, splashing songs of the most biodiverse region on our planet. Explore birds of the tropical Andes in the intimacy of your home or as a guide to your next adventure.